There's no people. This is my perfect city. There's no people. My sheep!
I recently visited Belfast, and whilst I was there, I had a bucket list of things I was desperate to see and do. First up, I love seeking out cool art dotted throughout a city. Northern Ireland is one of many filming locations for Game of Thrones, a show that I really enjoy.
A crown for a king?
So when we discovered that there were 6 Game of Thrones stained glass art commissions, we had to find every single one. A long day of exploring makes PJ a very hungry boy, so we went to Raging Ramen, which was delicious. I would highly recommend.
Whoa.
As I previously mentioned, I'm a big fan of the TV show Game of Thrones. And as somebody who loves seeing the inner workings of the film production process, I was really keen to go to the studio tour. Here's what I saw.
I'm not ready. That just looks so disappointing. Winterfell has been defended.
Much like the show, the studio tour was incredibly detailed, full of amazing costumes, props, sets, music. Also, much like the show, right at the very end, as we exited into the gift shop, it felt kind of like they were just trying to rush us out of there. Just take my money and boot me out. You get it? It's a joke. Another huge attraction in Belfast is the Titanic Museum. I will admit, I don't love James Cameron's Titanic, but I find the real story behind it fascinating, and Belfast's involvement in the whole thing is equally interesting. The Harland and Wolff offices here in Belfast is where the iconic ship itself was designed. Seeing how it all came to be truly felt like being transported back in time. The ending was maybe the most beautiful part of the tour. The music, sound, lights, and visuals in this room were really quite moving. Only for that immersion to be completely shattered moments later in the final room with all this Titanic tat that's been created over the years.
Of course, the Titanic Pop Funkos. Homer was there.
The final stop on this trip was the Giant's Causeway. This anomaly lies at the foot of the basalt cliffs along the very northern coast of Northern Ireland. These almost perfectly hexagonal columns make for an incredible sight, and they're really fun to climb on too.
Here at the Giant's Causeway, one false move and you'll slip and die. Come on, come with me. Whoa! Make it to the top.
According to legend, this is a result of fabled Irish giant Finn McCall, who tore up chunks of the Antrim coastline and hurled them into the sea so he could do battle with Scottish giant Benandonna. Obviously that's just legend, but I believe it.